Welcome to the cutting edge of web development, introducing the comprehensive beginner's course to Next.js, the powerful framework that is reshaping how professionals build the web. Whether you are looking to build lightning-fast websites, scalable applications, or dynamic single-page applications, this course has got you covered. From zero to hero, learn everything from setting up your development environment with step-by-step guidance from industry experts. Join thousands of students who have elevated their skills and career prospects through our practical courses. Are you ready to transform your ideas into reality? Enroll now and start building the future one line of code at a time. Next.js Beginners Course. Build, learn, and succeed. See you inside the course.